Hi and welcome back. Today we've got how to make plural of words ending in is. That is, we have words that the end what you see is is. So how do you pronounce it? And how do you pronounce the plural form? Are you ready for that? Here we go. As you can see, the plural of words that end in is usually made by changing the is to es and pronouncing the s of the es z. Let's have examples so that it becomes clearer. For example, this is axis, axis, axis. You've got the transcription, the IPA, to help you know that this is what you say, this is what you pronounce, axis. But in the plural form, you say axes, sees, sees, axes, axes. Here you say axis, but here axes. Next example, basis, basis, basis. The plural is bases, bases, bases. So you've got to be careful. So people say pay on a daily basis. It should be on a daily basis. That is, if you mean one. It is when it is more than one. If it is so, that is when you use bases. That is z, the last sounds. But the first, that is basis, should be basis, basis. Okay. Analysis, analysis, sis, sis. The plural is analyses, analyses, sees, sees. Paralysis, 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 paralysis. The plural, you say paralyses, paralyses. Feces, feces, feces. The plural, feces, feces, feces. Crisis, crisis. This word too is not crisis, crisis. It should be pronounced crisis. The plural, that is crises, crises, crises. This is symbiosis, symbiosis. The plural, we've got symbiosis, symbiosis. You need more examples? As you can see, let's have more. Psychosis, psychosis. The plural, psychoses, psychoses, sees. Emphasis, emphasis, emphasis. The plural, you say emphases, emphases, emphases. Then exegesis, exegesis. While the plural, a very simple thing, exegesis, exegesis, exegesis. Quite simple. This is oasis, oasis. And the plural, oases, oases. Then prognosis, prognosis. The plural, prognosis, prognosis. Here, thrombosis, while the plural is thrombosis, thrombosis. Here, neurosis, neuroses, while the plural is neuroses, neuroses. You've got testes, and the plural becomes testes, testes. Then, I hope you're not tired. Ellipsis, the plural ellipses, ellipses. And necropolis, then the plural you say necropolises, necropolises. Then here I've got kinesis, sorry, you can say kinesis or kinesis. Next is hypnosis, and the last narcosis. You can see them in red. The meaning is these ones are uncountable. You don't have the plural form. So hypnosis, narcosis, kinesis, or kinesis, they are uncountable. But with this, you have understood that normally, usually, words ending in is, the plural is made by changing the is, es, and pronouncing the s of the es, z. Quite simple, wasn't it? Let's see what we make as the reference. I hope that was very, very useful and great. Thanks for now. Until next time.